That doesn't sound good. So we'll look here. Surface foot, 500. 2 thou per rev. Got a little over half an inch to go. Let's speed it up and show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so this, just a simple magnet. I'm going to stick it backside right there. All right, 100. We are still 500 surface foot per minute because we are using G96, and we're going to do 2,000ths per rev. And it is cutting right now. Same depth of cut because we're doing a can cycle. And we got half an inch to go. Speed it up again. And it's still cutting. Problem fixed.